Hey everyone, so today we are going to explore we are covering the topic called how can you build a 10,000 per month AI marketing tool for absolutely free. So here's the thing, like marketing agencies right now are charging businesses anywhere around 5,000 to $10,000 every single month for marketing audits and reports. Okay. But today I'm going to show you that how can you build that exact same tool with yourself for completely free, and we are using the Claude tool here. So how can you do by using the Claude Code? So I build an AI marketing tool that can, audit any websites, analyze the copy, check the SEO, look at the sales funnel, scans the competitors, and spit out a professional PDF report that you can literally send to the clients. Okay, so this video is very important because in this whole video I will be telling you that how can you make the entire system ready. Okay, that it will help you to get the PDF reports, then SEO funnels, everything. So please make sure watch this video till the end, because at the end I will be telling you that how can you do that thing, like practical guide I will be sharing at the end of the video. So if you want, then just be in the video. Okay, so let's get started. So the problem nobody is talking about here is that, so let's talk about the real problem nobody is addressing right now. So see, on one side you get the businesses like local ad spends, dental office, restaurants and all that, but this simply can't afford those $5,000 to $10,000 monthly retainers, that big agencies charge. But they need real experts, but at a price that actually makes sense for them. So on the other side, there are people like us who wants to start an AI automation agency, right? But we don't have the tools to actually deliver results. So we need a way to produce a professional agency level work without learning to code or buying the expensive softwares. So this tool fixes both side of your problem. So I have talked about both of. So this tool will fix both of your problem. Businesses, gets the help they need at a fair price, and you get the tools to deliver it and start earning real money retainers. Okay, so this tool solve both your problem. Okay, let's go ahead. What this tools does, like what it will do for you, let me just give you the brief. So what exactly does this thing to do? Okay, think of it as an AI marketing skill set for the Claude Code. It comes with 15 different commands. Okay, here's the complete breakdown. Number one is a website audit. So it digs into your content, that like the messaging, then how well the site convert visitors into customers, the SEO, and how easy the business is to find easily. It will completely do for you. Then second one is the email and ad copy. That means it generate the full email sequences and ad copy that actually uh, tailor to your specific business. Then number three is a competitor scan. That means it finds direct competitors, indirect competitors, and even aspirational ones across the three different tiers which you have given. Okay, so this is all the things that it will do for you. Then number fourth is a PDF report. Now finally it produce a polished professional PDF report, the exact kind of things agencies charge thousands of the dollars. Because let's say if you have completely did the report and audit, but if you don't show it in a way that they actually want, then I don't think so it will work. So PDF report it will generate. Now these are the things how it will do. Let me just give you, and let me just tell you that how can you do all the things. Okay, so let me just show you real things. So I run this on my two websites. One was calendar.com, and another was my local, let's say, mid spine San Francisco. Okay, the name is Conibel and Aesthetics, what you can call it. So it scores the 64 out of 100, that is C minus. Okay, the total, like the tool immediately flagged critical issues. This bot fought pricing was inconsistent. Okay, so these are the kind of things a business owner might never notice, but they are costing them customers every day. Okay, so what are the steps that I will be telling you? Just let me just give you the brief. Just wait for the second. Okay. So yeah. So there are step-by-step process that you need to follow. First one is you have to install the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So let's get into how you actually set this up. Like first you have to install the Visual Studio Code or VS Code, in short, you can say. This is where you will run a real Claude Code and access all the marketing skills. It's completely free and it's a clean environment now where you can see all your files, folders, and you can run the commands. So you have to first do this thing. You have to download the Visual Studio Code and then you have to install the Claude Code in there. Okay, here's what you can do. Go to the official VS Code website and download it. Then search for the Claude Code for VS Code in the extension marketplace and install it. Just okay. Once it get installed, you will see a small icon pop up in your right side corner of your editor. Okay, that means Claude Code is now active inside your VS Code. Okay, now if you prefer, you can also use Google's anti-gravity ID also. It works the exact same thing. So it's totally depend on you that how you will completely do, because there are a lot of other ways that you can go, but I am telling you the easiest way which you can do. Okay, this is all about the step 1. Okay, so we are at a very first thing, so please pay attention what I am just telling and start doing the thing at the same time, I will suggest, because this is not something that you have just watched and you will start you will start getting the things. No, you have to do the same thing which I am telling you. Okay, so let's go with the step 2. Step 2 is like installing the marketing skill. Now once you have done with this, step 2 is like you have to install the actual marketing skills. This is surprisingly, like I can say, this is very simple. You have to go to the GitHub repository. The link that I will provide in a description also. It will navigate to the direct installation section and copy a single install command. It's literally just one liner. Okay, then just come back to the VS Code, open your terminal. You can do this from the top right, or you can or I can say just press the Control plus back. You can also do with this also. Make sure you are inside a folder, paste the command and hit enter. Simple. Automatically install all the 15 marketing skills. You have to install this thing because this is very important. Here's what you will get. See, after doing this, what you will get: market audit, that's the main command, plus market copy, email sequence, social media tools, competitor analysis, funnels and landing pages, SEO audits, lot of other things you will getting. So all 15 commands become available instantly through slash commands. You have to just type slash market and you will see all of them. Okay, so this is all about the step 2. I hope you got the clarity what you need to actually do. Okay, step 1 is like you have to install the VS Code and you have to add the Claude Code. After that, you have to install the marketing skill, which I will be providing you in the description box. So make sure to grab it after watching the video. You have to just do the following steps which I have just told you. Okay, then we are uh, going ahead with the step 3. Run your first audit. What you need to do now for the fun part, running your first audit. Here's exactly how it works. See, step by step I will be telling you. Number 1 is like simply find the target website, pick a local business, maybe let's say mid spa, or like it can be anything like a dental office, a restaurant, and a copy, and just copy their website URL. Okay, second, in VS Code, like the in VS Code's Claude Code chat, type simple market and audit followed by the URL and press enter. That means in simple words, you have to copy the URL of any website which you want to audit. Any website, you have to completely copy that website and you have to simply type slash market audit and you have to paste that URL. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing is what I have just told you. We are at a third, that is Claude Code will ask for permission to access. Now see here what will happen. The Claude will ask you some some permission, so you need to give him the permission because it will search in the web. So you have to just allow, and for each prompt it is asking, so you have to allow at that time, then only it will go ahead, right? So then we are at a fourth step, that like 5 parallel sub agents kick in simultaneously: one for the content, one for the conversation, one for the SEO, one for the competitor analysis, and one for the, I can say, technical analysis. So this all 5 parallel sub agents are working simultaneously. So you can believe like how much accuracy you will get because 5 agents are working at the same time. Okay, and the fifth one is like once it get done, you will see a full audit with a score and exclusive summaries and a key finding all right there in just chat. So all the things you will get in just simple chat. Okay, So I think this is the best part of this, because you don't have to go somewhere and you have to go to the chat gpt. You have to, a lot of time what will happen, a lot of people are going to the chat gpt, they are pasting the screenshot, what is the issue and all that. But now you can do all the things by just one click. So it's like, don't you think it's this is very crazy? Like, you can just do the things by just chatting on that only, right? So let's understanding the 15 skills. So let me just quickly explain what these 15 skills actually are. So each one is a like skill.md file, basically a markdown document, I can say, that gives Claude Code expert level instruction for a specific marketing task. So we are giving the Claude Code a expert level instruction so that it will give us the best output. You can run them individually or run the main, just like typing slash market audit command to run everything at the once. See, the big ones are market audits, okay, which I have completely told you. Just let me just zoom you for you. First one is a market audit. Second one is a market competitor. Third one is email and copy. Fourth one is market report PDF. Okay, you can do all the things. Okay, I hope you got the point, and I hope you understand what are the things is working in a completely space. Okay, now let's go ahead without wasting the time. Generate the client ready PDF report. Now see, once your market slash market audit you have completely finished, now you run the slash market report PDF. Because see, you have told them give me the audit, but you haven't told in which format you want. So you have to tell that I want this in the PDF format so that you can share to any client or anyone with whom you want to share it. So you have to tell slash market report PDF. This is what here it is. Okay. So yeah, it will generate the actual PDF, and Claude Code will even install Python 3 for you also if you don't have it. So the PDF gets saved right in your project folder. So it will save in your folder itself. Now, what's inside the PDF? Let me just give you the brief. What you will get in the PDF. Number one is overall marketing score from 0 to 100, then exclusive summary, then score breakdown by categories, then critical, high, medium, or low findings according to the website. A prioritized action plan for quick wins you can like do today, like what you have to do today, what are the 3 to 6 month strategy. These all are the things that you will be getting in the PDF itself, and a competitive landscape overview. So these are the things that you will be getting. Okay, so you can send this PDF to a local businesses for free, and they will get impressed and you will get the more clients. So this is what is all about. Okay, and don't you think like how it will save a lot of time of yours? Because again, doing SEO and audits and funnel, it will take a lot of time and you have to spend a lot of money at the same time. But now you can do just by doing the things which I have just told you. Okay, now you need, like, you now have everything you need, right? So we are at a very last slide, and that's it. You will never see how to build a full service AI marketing agency tools completely free, no coding required. See, the GitHub repository is completely free. It's 100% free, and all 15 skills are ready to deploy on any website you want. So these things I have just told you, it will work in any website. Okay, so here's your action plan. Number one, get the tool, download the free GitHub repository link. That is a link in the description which I have just provided you. So this is an action plan. Okay, so you can take the screenshot also, because you need to implement this thing after watching the video, right? So first of all, you need to download the free GitHub repository link, which is link in the description I have provided. Second is like start auditing, means run the slash market audit on local businesses website in your area. As you already know, in your areas, a lot of websites are there, so you have to pick the URL of them and start auditing them, and you can give them at a free, so that it will get impressed, like, yeah, this person knows much very well, so you will get the deal and you can earn money from that also, right? Then third one is like land client, send them for, as I just told you, send them free PDF reports, then pitch a $2,000 to $5,000 monthly retainer, like retainers. So this is what you need to do. So if you want to go deeper inside the creators community, you have to learn the full playbook for turning tools like this into a real playing AI business. Okay. Okay, so I hope you completely understand how this whole system will work, and you can actually build this thing. because it's very easy. As I just told you, you have to just follow the steps which I have just told you. Okay. So I hope you understand the whole game, how you have to completely operate the things. Still, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and you can share your learning in the comment section, what you have learned from this video. Okay. So till then, if you are watching this video, then do like and also share this video to one of your friends who want to build this type of system. Okay. So yeah, that's all from my side. See you in the next video. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask. I will love to help you. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.